And then we ball by Alvaro. Alvaro now for three. Napel rebound by number 15 Gonzalez. To number 2 Malagor. Pass to number 1 Gonzalez. Gonzalez now 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 10 to yes, the offense by number 15 Gonzalez. Time remaining at middle. And penalty. Number 25, Riga pass to Chad, 15 seconds to shoot. Back to Riga to number 1, 10 seconds to shoot. From the long range, rebound by number 8, Chad to number 1, 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6. Rebound by number 15 to number 10, Almacin to number 1, Gonzalez. Gonzalez now controlling the ball to number 2, Lias to number 2, Managor to number 15, blocked by Jackie Chan. There's a whistle. Number 25, the training man, Riga pass to number 13, Alvaro to number 7, Lewas. Pass to the training man, 15 seconds to shoot for 3. Napan rebound by number 2 to number 1, number 1 to number 3, Almacin number 10, Almacin drives to the bounce. By number 3, Almacin, exactly 7 minutes, is scoring now for the 3 and cover of circle. Number 1, Almacin, and received by number 2 to number 3, back to number 2. Yes, the bounce by number 2. Chan doing the ball to number 25, Riga pass to Alvaro. 15 seconds to shoot to Lewas pass to Riga to Almacin. 10 seconds to shoot. 9. Napan rebound by number 1, Gonzalez. Gonzalez now controlling the ball. Pass to number 10, 15 seconds to shoot. There's a whistle. Almacin number 10 dribbling the ball. Almacin now 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8. Yes, the bounce by number 10, Almacin. Time remaining exactly 6 minutes. Number 1, Almacin to number 25, 15 seconds to shoot. Riga back to Almacin, 10 seconds to shoot. Yes, 3 points. Number 1, Almacin is scoring now 8-6 and power of circle. Number 1 now, Gonzalez to number 10, Almacin, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 10, Almacin to number 2, Lias for 3. Napan rebound by Lawas to number 1, Almacin. Almacin number 1 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7, Lawas. Lawas now back to number 1 for 3. 3 points. Number 1, Almacin. Back-to-back 3 points by number 1, Almacin. Number 1, Gonzalez controlling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 10, there's no whistle. Foul. Number 7, Arnogo to Lias to Almacin. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Napan rebound by Almacin number 10. Almacin Napan rebound by number 8. Chan pass to number 1, Almacin. Almacin now dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7, Lawas. There's a whistle. Now 7, Arnogo. There's a whistle. Almacin number 1 to number 13, Alvaro for 3. Napan rebound by number 17, rebound by number 2, Malagor number 2. Number 7, Arnogo. 15 seconds to shoot. Arnogo. And received by number 1. There's a whistle out to bounce. Substitution. Almacin giving the ball to Gabi for 2. Napan rebound by Alvaro. Yes, the pass by number 13, Alvaro. Time remaining 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Score now 11-8. and pair of LT Cruzado to Arnoco. 15 seconds to shoot. Arnoco to number 2, Lias, point 3 points. Lias, basket count. Ball number 13, Alburo. Clock 11. Inbound by number 12 to number 1, Almacin. Almacin now dribbling the ball. Almacin from the long three. There's a whistle, double foul. Double foul, number 7.
Rip, ay sa kabiyot rip. Ang foul ako sa double foul, number 7 for number 7 Lawas for Eltic, second personal foul. Number 13 for Binsal for Sogo. Number 13 Binsal first personal foul. 2 team foul, Sogo. Seconds to shoot. Number 7 to number 12, ready. There's a whistle out to bounds, symbol. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6. The 10. Rebound by number 2, Managor. Managor now. Managor number 2, pass to number 7, Arnoco. Time remaining exactly 3 minutes, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 7, Arnoco for 2. There's a whistle. Foul number 2, Managor. Number 2, Managor, first personal by Managor. Are scoring now 14-13 and favor of Eltic. Number 1 now, Almacin. Almacin controlling the ball against Rosario. 15 seconds to shoot. Almacin blocked by Managor. 12 seconds to shoot. 6, 5, 4. The 10 rebound by number 2, Managor. Managor to number 7, Arnoco to number 23, Rosario. Time remaining exactly 2 minutes. And received by John, pass to number 12, Betty. Hawan pass sa pinagpasan. Number 7. Rosario to Arnoco, 15 seconds. Shoot back to Rosario. Tomera ng 16 anyos. Paso. Ang score now, Didlac 16. Time remaining 1 minute and 28 seconds. Number 1, Almacin controlling the ball. Number 1 now from the long three. 3 points. Number 1, Almacin. Number 23, pass to number 2, back to number 23, Rosario, 15 seconds to shoot. Arnoco from the window. Natin, rebound by number 8, Chucky Chan, pass to number 1. Almacin, exactly 1 minute. Almacin now, pass to Chan, 55 seconds remaining, 15 seconds to shoot. Gardena 10, there's a whistle. Foul number 9, Florentino. Number 9, Florentino, first personal foul. So-called penalty. Time remaining 50.8 seconds. Bill Breakdowns by number 13, Alboro. First try by Alboro, 1 point. Last draw. Nathan rebound by number 2, pass to number 23, Rosario. 45 seconds remaining.
Rosario now to number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. 40 seconds remaining. Rosario number 23. And received by number 1. 25 seconds remaining. Number 12, Glory, as he basket by Garby. 30 seconds remaining. And ball by number 9 to number 7. 25 seconds remaining. Arnogo, 20 seconds remaining. Arnogo now, pass to Lias, 15 seconds to shoot, 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot, 9, 8. 9 seconds remaining, 9 seconds remaining. And ball by our photo, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 1 pass to number 8, Jackie Chan to number 1, Almosin. Almosin now, 15 seconds to shoot. Almosin jump, Nathan. Rebound by number 1, Gonzalez. Gonzalez now dribbling the ball. Number 1 pass to number 10, Almosin. Number 10, Almosin, 15 seconds to shoot. To number 2, Managor on the glass, Nathan. Rebound by number 12, Garby. Garby now. Garby number 12. Garby controlling the ball. Garby pass to Alvaro, 15 seconds to shoot. Alvaro to Jackie Chan. Yes, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Gonzalez from the window. Nathan. Rebound by number 2, Malagor. Malagor number 2 to Gonzalez, Nathan. Malagor on the glass. Yes, to Alvaro to Almacin. Almacin for 2. Nathan. Rebound by number 10, Almacin. Number 10, Almacin controlling the ball. To Pinsa, Gonzalez. Yes, the bounce by number 15, Gonzalez. And scoring now 24 against 20. In favor of the Alpi. Number 8, John, 15 seconds to shoot to Alvaro. Back to Chan. Chan now, back to Alvaro, 10 seconds to shoot. Nathan, rebound by number 15. Pass to number 1, Gonzalez. Gonzalez now dribbling the ball. Gonzalez number 1, 15 seconds to shoot. To number 10, Almacin. Almacin against Gabi. Almacin, the air seeker. Nathan, rebound by number 7, Loas. To number 1, Almacin. Almacin number 1, drive. There's Gonzalez. Gonzalez now, 10 seconds to shoot. To number 10, Almacin. Almacin number 10, pass to Lias. 10 seconds to shoot. Malagor, Nathan. Rebound by number 13 to number 1. Number 1, drive. Yes. Advance by number 1, Almacin. Time remaining 7 minutes and 7 seconds. Pass to Malagor. There's the whistle. Foul number 8, pushing foul, Jackie Chan. Yes, 1 point by number 13, Alvaro. Number 10 to number 7, back to number 10 to number 2. Back to number 10, 15 seconds to shoot. To number 7 and number 3. Nathan, rebound by number 5, Formentera. Formentera, number 5, dribbling the ball to number 25. To number 7, Nathan, rebound by number 23. Exactly 5 minutes. And received by Alvaro. Yes, defense by number 13, Alvaro. And scoring now 35 against 22. And favor of the LP, number 10, Almacin for 3. Nathan, rebound by number 7 to number 25. The printing man, Riga, pass to Amancio for 3. A minute for Ventura. Nathan, rebound by number 2 to number 23, Rosauro. Rosauro, number 23, dribbling the ball. Rosauro on the glass, Nathan. Rebound by number 7, Arnogo, Nathan. Arnogo, 10 seconds to shoot. 9,
Yes, the offense by number 10, Almacin. Scoring now 35 runs, 24 in favor of LT. Number 25, 15 seconds to shoot. Time remaining exactly 4 minutes. Alboro, 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now 10, rebound by number 2. Pass to number 7 and received by number 13 to number 25. Riga pass to Amancio. There's a whistle out of bounds. Substitution. Time remaining 3 minutes and 40 seconds. And ball by number 23. To number 1, Gonzalez. Gonzalez for 3. And then rebound by number 13 to number 25, Riga. Riga number 25 controlling the ball. Riga now. Riga for 2. And then rebound by Amancio. Amancio number 4 looking for summer. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6. Nathan rebound by number 2 to number 1, Gonzalez. Pass to number 10, Almacin. Almacin pass to Rosario. Nathan rebound by number 7. There's a whistle. Foul number 10. Substitution. Number 10, Almacin, first personal foul. Substitution. Warning for a penalty. Circle. Time remaining 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Bound by number 28 to number 5, Formentera. Formentera now. Time remaining exactly 3 minutes to number 28, Formentera. Formentera, 15 seconds to shoot. Alboro pass to Formentera for 3 points. Formentera number 5. Number 2, Lias. 15 seconds to shoot. To number 2, Malagor. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, the advance by number 10, Almacin. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 28, Formentera, dribbling the ball. Formentera now, 15 seconds to shoot to number 13. Pass to Amancio from the window. Time remaining exactly 2 minutes. Number 1, Gonzalez. Out of bounds symbol. 14 seconds to shoot. Timeout. To Malagor. Malagor now. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, the advance by number 2, Malagor. And scoring now 41 against 28 in favor of Alki. Number 28, Formentera to number 5, Formentera to Leo. 15 seconds to shoot. Formentera for 3. And then rebound by number 10, Almacin. Almacin number 10 pass to number 2, Lias for 3. And then rebound by Formentera to number 13, Alboro. Alboro number 13 to number 7 against Malagor to number 5, 15 seconds to shoot on the glass. Nathan, rebound by Formentera. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8. Nathan exactly 1 minute. Rebound by Densal. Densal now 55 seconds remaining. Number 10, Almacin, the air second. Yes, the pass by number 10, Almacin. 45 seconds remaining. Formentera number 28. 40 seconds remaining. Formentera now controlling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 35 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Chitli, the 10. 30 seconds remaining. Rebound by number 1, Gonzalez. 25 seconds remaining. Gonzalez now controlling the ball. 20 seconds remaining. 15 seconds to shoot. Back to Gonzalez to Lias. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, na 10. 10 seconds remaining. 9, 8,
7. There's a whistle. Foul number 7, Lawas. Third personal foul number 7, Lawas. 2 team fouls, LT. 2 free throws by number 2, Managor. Time remaining 7.7 seconds. First try na field, time remaining 7.7 seconds. No more shot na.
Eh, magpakilid, Rosie. Magpakilid. Litro.
Last draw. One point, substitution. Time remaining 7.7 seconds. No more shot na. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 1, Gonzalez to number 2, back to number 1, to number 3, Almacin. Almacin to number 2, Lias for 3. 3 points. Lias has scored now 41 against 34 in favor of LT. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 1, Almacin to Alvaro from the window. And then rebound by number 2. Pass to number 1, Gonzalez. Gonzalez now to Lias from the rebound. And then rebound by Alvaro to Almacin. Almacin number 1. Almacin pass to number 8, Jackie Chan. Chan number 8, Chan. Naten. Rebound by number 8, Chan. Chan pass to Almacin from the long three. Naten. Rebound by number 2, Managor. Pass to number 10, Almacin. Almacin number 10 dribbling the ball at TikTok sa area. Naten. Rebound by number 8 to number 1. Number 1, Almacin against number 1, Gonzalez. Looking for a summer pass to Garby. 15 seconds to shoot to number 1, Almacin. Almacin now 10 seconds to shoot. 9. Yes, the offense by number 1, Almacin. Time remaining 8 minutes. 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 1 to number 2, Lias. Lias now to number 13, Benzal. Benzal to Almacin, 15 seconds to shoot. Yes, the offense. Adlaw sa likero ang hibang na live. Sakto yun yung makita ka sa Animal Planet. Oh, basit.
Ilam daw.
And bound by number 30, Jiggly to number 1, Almacin. Almacin now throwing the ball back to Jiggly. There's a whistle, basket count. Foul number 13, Benzal. Substitution. Number 13, Benzal, third personal foul. 1 team foul, Salco. Follow through by number 30, Jiggly.
Pakpak, Given. Pakpak, kusog.
Complete 3 points by number 30, Lee.
Lagay, manay. Pakpak, pakpak. Awa.
Gonzalez to Managor from the window. Natin, exactly 8 minutes. Number 1, Almacin. Number 1 now giving the ball. Number 1 pass to Garby. Garby pick. Garby controlling the ball to number 8 to number 13. 15 seconds to shoot. Almacin for 3. 3 points. Number 1, Almacin has scored now 49 against 36. And favor of Alti, number 1, 15 seconds to shoot to number 2, Lias. Pass to number 2, Managor. Managor, Naten. Rebound by Garby.
There's a whistle. Foul number 2, Lias. Number 2, Lias, first personal foul. 2 team foul, Celco. And ball by number 1 to number 30, back to number 1, Almacin. Almacin on the glass, yes, to advance by number 1, Almacin. Time remaining 7 minutes and 11 seconds. Number 1, Gonzalez controlling the ball. Gonzalez, that's to Gonzalez. Gonzalez for 2. Nathan, rebound by Lee number 30, pass to number 1, Almacin. To Garvey. Garvey pass to Anderson, point number 10. To number 1, Gonzalez. Gonzalez, number 1 to number 2, Lias on the glass. Yes, to plans by number 2, Lias. Warning for delaying the game. Number 1, Gonzalez. Number 1, Almacin. Almacin now dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Almacin pass to Chan. Back to Almacin. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7. There's a whistle out to bounds. Scoring over. Time remaining 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 1, Gonzalez. Gonzalez now controlling the ball. Pass to Almacin, number 10. To number 2. Blocked by Chan. Number 2, Managor. Managor on the glass. Yes, to pass by number 2, Managor. The scoring now 51 against 40. And Pembroke Celtic exactly 6 minutes. Number 1, Almacin controlling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Yes, still 10 seconds to shoot. Yes, the plans by Garvey. Number 1, Gonzalez. Gonzalez now controlling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot to number 10, Almacin. Almacin on the glass. The plans by number 10, Almacin. Time remaining 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 1, Almacin controlling the ball. Almacin now 15 seconds to shoot. Almacin to Chan for 3. Natin, rebound by Almacin. Long pass to number 1, Gonzalez. Yes, the wins by number 1, Gonzalez. Time remaining exactly 5 minutes. Number 12, Garvey. Garvey now 15 seconds to shoot. To number 1, Almacin. Almacin number 1, 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Natin, rebound by number 2, Lias. There's a whistle, foul number 13, Alboro. Number 13, Alboro, third personal foul. 1 team foul, LT. And ball by number 2, pass to number 1, Gonzalez. Gonzalez now controlling the ball. Number 1, pass number 2, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 1 for 3, and an out. Rebound by number 13 to number 1, Almacin. Almacin dribbling the ball. Almacin now, Almacin number 1. 15 seconds to shoot, pass to number 12, Garvey. Garvey number 12, 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6. There's a whistle. Foul number 1, Gonzalez, substitution. Number 1, Gonzalez running for foul down. 3 team foul, Celco. Time remaining 4 minutes and 7 seconds. Almacin now controlling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Yes, the points by Amancio. Gonzalez, number 1. Atong score, dobleng 5, dobleng 4. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 10, Almasin. Almasin to number 2, Managor. Managor now 10 seconds to shoot. 9. Yes, the bounce by number 2, Managor. Time remaining 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Number 12, Garvey. Garvey pass to Almasin. 15 seconds to shoot for 3. And not there. Rebound by number 1, Gonzalez. Gonzalez now dribbling the ball. Gonzalez to number 10, Almasin. Almasin against Garvey. Almasin now 15 seconds to shoot. Back to Gonzalez. To Lias from the window. Not there. Time remaining exactly 3 minutes. There's a whistle. Basket down. Foul number 4, Amancio. Number 4, Amancio. First personal foul. 2 team fouls. LT. Ay sa kadyon. Ilisi lang. Ilisi lang kay substitution.
Ha? Nen, tawag ka. Pareho ka sa baba. Ano yun? Andun ka sa sakyanan. Oh?
Ball throw by number 2, Managor.
Kaya pa, may sininin.
Ball play 3 points by number 2, Managor. Time remaining 2 minutes and 51 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Amancio Lopez to John. There's a whistle out of bounds. Turnover.
Ala. Hindi ka lang kon. Layat.
There's a whistle. Foul number 1, number C. Number 1, number C. First personal foul. 3 fouls.
Pagaw kay kabuhang nga ka.
And ball by number 1 goes pass to number 2, Lias. Number 3. That's all for Gonzalez. Ball number 4, Amancio. Ziba, personal foul. Nice whistle. POP. Ball number 8, John. Number 8, John. Second personal foul. POP. There's on the feet. That's throw by number 2, Managor.
Asa ba? Gonzalez will pass to the feet on the feet. By number 7, Simple. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 1, Gonzalez. 31 seconds leading. Gonzalez now for unbreakable. 50 seconds leading. 15 seconds to shoot for 3. 51 seconds leading. Pass on the seat. Almost now. 50 seconds leading. Almost number 1. Almost for 50 seconds leading. 10 seconds leading. 9. Foul number 25, Riga. Number 25, Riga, first personal foul. One big foul, Elkie. Red ball by Almasy, pass to Managor. Managor number 2, Number B, Almasy, and Zika, personal foul. One big foul, circle. Time remaining 9 minutes and 12 seconds. Nasa bersama kami membasa. Riga now 12 ball defense sequence to shoot. Almasy for three and the rebound by number 2.
Lagi.
Managua number 2, number 1, Gonzalez. Gonzalez number 1, number 2, Elias. And sequence to shoot 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, so much for number 3. Bissau by Lee, minutes on 35 seconds. It's going now 59 and 57. And there are plenty. Rita number 25, but then sequence to shoot. Rita now. Rita number 25 for Portugal. Then sequence to shoot 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes, so much for number 13. Gonzalez, number 1, goal Portugal. Portugal sequence to shoot for the rebound pass. Exactly minutes. And sequence to shoot. There's a whistle.
Pila doon sa katil.
Foul number 7 loss. One keeper foul now. One big foul. Elkie Piper Solution.
Siguro mas nini.
Ball play number 1. Gonzalez no pass to Bissau. That's number 3. Number 25, Riga. Then sequence to shoot 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Rebound by number 2 for number 1, Gonzalez. Gonzalez for number 3, Almasy. Almasy number 3. Whistle, out for Bronze. For Florida. Substitution. Time remaining 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 1. 10 seconds to shoot 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. There's a whistle. Foul number 1, Gonzalez. Number 1, Gonzalez. Foul down. Balik sa. Congratulations, ikaw ang unang sa kapamilyan na sulitin ka. Time remaining exactly 7 minutes.
Kaya pag yaw-yaw ka sa usan.
And ball by Lawas to Almasy to Barbie. Barbie out 10 seconds to shoot 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Defend on the shot. There's a whistle. We ball out of position. Circle. Time remaining 6 minutes and 45. Almasy now. Sorry, Almasy. Defend sequence to shoot. Lias now back to his out. 10 seconds to shoot. That's how it is. There's a whistle at the ground. One to the goal, back to number 1 on the seat. Almost see now dribbling the ball. Almost see. 10 seconds to shoot. Almost see for Alvaro. Alvaro now 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 3, 7. Lias now, 10 seconds to shoot exactly 6 minutes. Number 2 by the bar. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 3, 7. Yes, four points. Number 2 by the bar. They have all had 1 point on Circle. As right now, 62-61. 15 seconds to shoot. John Reed, John now, unbelievable. There's a whistle, 3 seconds. Time remaining 5 minutes. Number 3 seconds. Empty. Time remaining 5 minutes. Number 3 seconds. As right now, 64-60. Time remaining 5 minutes. 75 seconds. Almost pass to Gonzalez. So yes, 20 seconds to shoot. Lias for number 1 on the scene. Now we'll see now for unbelievable. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 remaining exactly 5 minutes. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7. Number 1 on the scene is going now with lot 64. Number 3 pass number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3 on the scene. Number 3 pass 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, Time remaining exactly 4 minutes. Number 1 on the scene. 10 seconds to shoot. Almost now unbelievable. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Not bad. We have number 3 with some. Pass to number 2. Number 3. Reserve number 3 on the scene. Almost now 15 seconds to shoot. Almost unbelievable. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7. Not bad. We have number 7. Lewis. Pass to number 1 on the scene. Almost now pass to number 3. Alvaro. Almost has been by number 13. Alvaro.
Ay, po.
That's for number 666. Foul number 8. Substitution. Number 8, John, third personal foul. 2 big fouls. Healthy Power Solution. By Marine Cadets on 16. See out. The Rebels by number 8 on the field. Number 1 on the scene. On the scene now. The ball against his brother. On the scene number 1. Captain Seagulls to shoot. Almost see now. And Seagulls to shoot. No shoot. Now here pass to Elias. 150. Elias now pulling the ball. Captain Seagulls to shoot. We're on the scene. 130. And Seagulls to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Time out ba daw?
1 minute and 56 seconds. One minute and 56 seconds. 1 minute and 25. Captain Seagulls to shoot. Almost see number 1. Almost see now. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7. Number 1 on the seat, as personal white foul. Seagull personal foul. 3 fouls, lucky. Substitution.
Oy, okay.
Number 1, personal foul.
last one. Timeout. Healthy. Kevin Shepard. Alvaro, 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations.